What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video on this channel, man. It's me, your boy Gabbyproscra, and we're back on it with another video. Today we're going to be making a Azawi type beat from Swangz Avenue. Let's make a soulful type beat. As you already know, Azawi have been dropping music lately, so we're not going to waste so much time. As you already know, we always first play the loop, then we break it down.
Gabbyproscra, you made this shit?
So as you can hear, that loop is so nice for someone like Azawi. Let's break it down what I did for this loop. The first thing I played a guitar from Xenology. It was steel body, so the guitar sounded like this. After, I just laid another guitar. This one is Howling guitar from Xenology. So I was selecting things from Xenology. As you can see, I just laid the same chord. Just to twist it a bit. If you're playing with the other one, you add with it. So if you can see, I've metal on wood. This is grand piano from Xenology. Dying organ. This is an organ from Xenology, also simple. I didn't want to overcomplicate things. I just went with it a bit high. As you know, Azawi like such kind of things. I played a Vox pad. This is a pad. If you go in Xenology, you go to Vox and choir. So this is called Vox pad 3. I just played it simple. It was supposed to be an organ anyway, but I decided to use something else different. So I just kept on repeating the same thing. So then I went and played bell organ. This is also among the synth. And here it's a bit off key, but when you play with all the sounds, it sounds really perfect. I played the bass. I like using the AC upright bass from Xenology. It's so good for this kind of Azawi soulful beats from Swangz Avenue. I always tell you guys that this kind of Swangz Avenue beats, they always have two basses played in it. So there's the first bass and the second bass. Play the xylophone. This one is from Flex. Always I like using it a lot when it comes to making this Azawi soulful pain beats. This is how the Xenology sounded. It was really simple. I said keep it real simple so that you can leave space for the artist. Play the morphine. I like using it also a lot in these Swangz Avenue beats. Keyboard, Sleepy MC. It sounded like this. So as you can see, I almost kept on just repeating the same thing. That was all about the loop. Let's play it one more time, then I show you how I made the drums. So that was more about the loop. Not to waste so much time, let me show you what I did with the drums. Most times I like using just snare. You can use whatever you're having as long as it's sounding good. Just kept it hitting the same way. Then I added another snare so that it can bring the bounce. Way real long. Then I added another snare in the middle. That one just keeps on knocking like that. Another one. So as you can see, all these snares be sounding different. I don't use the same one. Same thing here. Then finally the kick. So all of these was sounding here like this. If I play them, so as you can hear, it's real groovy for someone like Azawi to come and jump on it. As you can see, that was the first flute. Then the second flute sounded like this. Then I played 3 flutes. This is the third one. So that was the ending flute. In case you want to see the stems, they're here. As I said, this is the first one. So that was the first flute. Then the second flute, this one here. So then the third one, I always like playing 3. That was everything about this beat that I wanted to show you guys today. Hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share to people that you think they need to see it. See you on the next video. Here's the full beat. In case you feel like you want to listen to this beat, I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go and find it. See you on the next one.
Gabbyproscra.